Machiegni kendo nyakuro Mgajwang' wadhi mbele gi miweche manyien chendo ni mar Migago. Jopuonj sekond sekondar e kaunti ma Siaya orwako omenda mag kaunti mag NGAAF mochiw mano mar ng'iewo tangi mag pi ma koro biro konyo choko pi e kinde mag koth mapek mar El Nino migeno ni biro chako chwe pacho ka. Tangigo koro biro konyo duoko chien dang'ni mar jopuonjre ka gimanyo pi e kaunti no. Bang' yudo tangigo manengogi ok tin ne milion 1.3 ne gipo chenrono ka giwacho ni obiro miyo kinda mar rito ler e skunde ok lal nono kendo tangigo biro konyo e choko pi koth mar El Nino. Jatend bura ma Siaya County Christine Mbaka manochung' ne chenrono kendo nopogo jopuonjre omenda mar somo kata basari kendo chiwo omenda mag dongruok maromo shillings milion 10 ne mine kod rawere kosingo medo bero ngima jodak ma kaunti no ma Siaya.
The 33 water tanks that we have bought is meant for 33 schools that required the water tanks. Water tanks are very important because we can do in these schools water harvesting. So I've issued water tanks for them to harvest water so that students can use this clean water from the roof of their classrooms or dormitories, and they will avoid going to the river or using dirty water.
On behalf of the National Government Affirmative Action Fund, we are giving the 33 tanks from the fund itself, and we are also giving checks and bursaries. The checks are for women economic empowerment, which these are groups that have written proposals that has been approved by the national board, and the groups will be able to benefit women in the community so that they can do many other activities, including value addition.
The fact that in Sakwa we experience very little rainfall, so this is going to help us store water, that the little that we get, and we hope that we'll again be considered next time, because one, though good, is not enough.
We had a serious problem, a serious shortage of water, and we had roofs which had water that were just going untapped. And I believe that this time round, we are going to harness this water for the benefit of our students so that they have clean water and